This year, you become the master of containers with these 4 brand new courses in container security: container supply chain security, attacking and securing container registries, containers beyond Docker, and essentials of container monitoring. You'll also get an existing course, attacking and defending containers. That makes it 5 courses total for just one affordable price. These go from beginner level all the way up to advanced, featuring content that literally doesn't exist anywhere else. You'll learn how to generate container SBOMs, manage container images and repositories, securely deploy apps within containers, and so much more. This learning path features over 15 hours of content and almost 20 hands-on labs covering everything you need to know about container security. The best part of this deal is that you can save big if you pre-order. Get it now and you'll enjoy a massive 40% discount. That's 5 courses worth $99 going for just $59. And you get unlimited access to all videos and labs for one full year from the day